Compared to some of the other products, the Dow being water-based, two-part, easy mix, very easy to work with. Cleanup's cleans up very easy, and you're able to spray out of a typical line laser machine, whether it's Graco or Titan. We're able to spray with this product out of a line laser machine versus some of the other products that is squeegeed and then back rolled. So it's less labor intense. We're able to accomplish the correct thickness at approximately 0.8 of a mile an hour. So it's actually a lot quicker, less people. Yes, the project on the Parkway, I believe we accomplished 13,000 square feet the first night, and the second night we were just shy of 14,000 square feet. And that was based on an 8-hour shift. With testing and stuff, it was slowed down. I would imagine our actual painting time was about 6 hours. So we were able to accomplish a lot of square footage and a lot of area, per shift using this product. My office and us as a whole was greatly happy with the amount of footage we did do in a night compared to some of the other products. I think our best night was like 3,500 square feet. So we were able to do basically 4 times that in the same amount of time. I would recommend this product. Like I said, it's very easy to work with, easy to spray with. You can jump in at any time and you're able to do quite a bit of footage per night. It definitely enhances the area and makes it safe. I would definitely recommend it to try it.